Hi, Silverdale Dolphins. Miss Anita here, and I'm going to read the book Splat the Cat by Rob Scotton. Be thinking about who this book is about and where it takes place. Okay, Splat the Cat. It was early morning, and Splat was wide awake. Today was his first day at cat school, and his tail wiggled wildly with worry. If I hide from the day, maybe it'll go away, he thought. It didn't go away. Time to get up, said his mom. Time to get dressed, said his mom. I don't have any clean socks, Mom. Maybe I should go to school tomorrow instead, said Splat. You don't wear socks, said his mom. I'm having a bad hair day, Mom. Maybe I should go to school tomorrow instead, said Splat. His mom combed his hair. Perfect, she said. Don't forget your lunchbox, said his mom. I'll need a friend today, thought Splat. And he dropped his pet mouse Seymour into his lunchbox. Time to go, said his mom. The front door won't let me out, Mom. The gate won't let go of my fingers, Mom. The lamppost won't get out of my way, Mom. Mom! Poor Splat. You can ride your bike if you like, Splat, said his mom. So he did, but he didn't really say a single word. Welcome to cat school, said a big round cat. I'm Mrs. Wimpydimple, your teacher. Splat's mom gave him a hug. I'll be back soon, she said. You'll be fine. Everyone, this is Splat. Let's welcome him into our class, said Mrs. Wimpydimple. And everyone said, Hi, Splat, all the friends in the classroom. Quite a variety of them. Mrs. Wimpydimple began. Cats are amazing, she said. We're clever, cunning, and quick. Am I amazing too? Asked Splat. Yes, you too, said Mrs. Wimpydimple. Cats climb trees and drink milk and chase mice, she continued. Why do we chase mice? Asked Splat. It's what we do, replied Mrs. Wimpydimple. Why? Asked Splat. Because. Why? Mrs. Wimpydimple sighed. Lunchtime, she announced. Do you think Splat is happy about chasing mice? Splat opened his lunchbox. Mouse! The cats did what cats do. They were all after the mouse. Seymour, the mouse, hid behind a glass bottle. And when the cats saw his face through the glass, they screamed and ran away. Seymour did what all mice want to do. Seymour chased him back, didn't he? Stop! Cried Splat. And splat! They didn't stop. They splatted Splat. They ran right over the top of him because they were scared of Seymour. Enough, Mrs. Wimpy Dimple said, and it ended. It's milk time. Hooray! All the cats said. But the door to the milk cupboard was stuck. No milk today, announced Mrs. Wimpy Dimple. Aw. Splat whispered into Seymour's ear. Seymour nodded, and then, a moment later, the door swung open. Yum! As you can see, that little tiny Seymour got through and opened the milk cupboard. Mrs. Wimpy Dimple wrote again on the chalkboard. Cats don't chase mice. Hooray! Cheered the class. Soon it was time to go home. Splat's mom returned and gave him a hug. I've got lots of friends. Cats don't chase mice. I'm amazing. It was early the next morning, and Splat was wide awake. Today was his second day at cat school, and his tail wiggled wildly with excitement. Okay, who was this book about? You're right if you said Splat the Cat. And where did it take place? You're right if you said at his home and at school. Did he like going to school at first? No. Did he like it the second day? Yeah. Okay, thanks everybody for reading with me, and we'll see you next time.